Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to generate stunning, realistic and incredible images using newly launched Google Bard Gemini artificial intelligence. Google Bard Gemini just released a new text-to-image feature that allows you to generate amazing images using only text descriptions. Google Bard Gemini Creative AI has opened a new doors to the world of images. Anyone can become an artist with Google Bard Gemini. Simply describe your image in text and watch as it transforms into a stunning photorealistic image, from breathtaking natural landscapes to fantastical creatures, from classic paintings to science fiction imaginary. Google Bard Gemini puts the power to create any image in your hands. As you can see, the results are incredibly realistic and detailed. Are you ready to see the magic for yourself? Visit Google Bard Gemini today and start creating your own incredible images. Alright, so create image with the Google Bard here. First you need to come to the Google search engine and search for Google Bard. Among the initial search results you should see Bard listed. Just click on it. So you just need to sign in with your Google account. Once you are signed in, you will see a text box where you can enter your prompt. The prompt is simply a description of the image you want to generate. For example, if you want to generate an image of a beautiful girl sitting on a couch, you could enter the following prompt: a photorealistic image of a beautiful girl sitting on the red couch in a living room. I have prepared a pre-made prompt. I paste it into the text box and I click on the submit button. After a short period, images are generated and their thumbnails are displayed. The download icon is located at the top right of each image. Just click on one of them to view them in a larger size. The images generated by the artificial intelligence Bard Gemini are acceptable and will certainly improve in the near future. To create new images, click on the Generate More option. After a moment, new images are generated and their thumbnails are displayed. Just click on one of them to review them. At the bottom of the page, thumbnails of the images are visible for easy navigation between them. I have repeated all these steps and new images have been generated. Let's review them. If the results are not satisfactory, you can repeat this process. As of this day, the text-to-image feature from Bard Gemini is currently free. Feel free to continue the process to achieve good results. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video. Please support the channel by liking, commenting and sharing with your friends. We have new AI tutorials every week. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell as you don't miss anything. You can show your love for the channel with the super thanks button below each video. See you in the next video.